So Inspire Technologies, Inspire Event Solutions, I guess is the more accurate name. We do association type meetings. We have four main branches. Like I said, the Dallas and the Buffalo office being the largest. We also have an operation in Denver and in San Antonio, Texas. And then we also are in-house in probably 90 plus properties, some very large properties, kind of spread out across the US. We also have a Mexico operation. They kind of run independently. And we also have a Dominican Republic operation. So my role here, I've been here over 30 years. So I've kind of been in hotels and been in the real staging side. I'm currently the VP of asset management and kind of the database, I guess, controller right now in R2. I think our initial beta load was in 2006. So yeah, it's been a number of years that we've used it. I think it does a really good job of us managing, from quote to actual execution. But as far as being able to fulfill the needs, works very well. As far as, we've got a certain amount of gear going on a show. It may be one truck, it may be several trucks. It can be a lot. We're moving stuff in between branches all the time, so the transfer functionality. But it does help us utilize our inventory at a much higher level and keep track of it. So we use the service module as well to put things into service. We don't do any outside repairs, so we're not writing quotes to repair somebody's, I don't know, projector or whatever. We don't have that capability. We mainly use it for tracking, repairs, and if a piece of gear has gone into repair often enough, it's probably time to retire it. So reporting module, yes. A lot of the reports I can pull what I need. There's some other reports we're working on too. Physical count module, we use that in our branches. I forgot to mention the transportation module. We do use that on occasion. Yes, I would recommend it because it can manage a lot of information. It can manage several different locations relatively easily. There's a lot of detail you can put in, and you can put as much or as little detail in it as you want. It's I know it's it's multi-currency and multi-language. You can have that added in. We don't use those features here, but I know they do in Mexico, where they have to at least do some currency conversions from time to time. I would imagine Dominican as well. The more I can put in here, the less having to go to different areas for information is always better. I think it does a really good job. It's as far as recommending it to somebody. Yes, it has these capabilities of doing that sort of thing. It does track your inventory very well. It does track the stat.